Pro, the most anticipated budget phone. Opening the package, you will find some documentations and a case. The case is a soft flexible case, which fits perfectly into the device. Furthermore, you will find the phone itself, an 18-watt charger, and a USB Type-C cable. The Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which is an IPS LCD panel, and has a water drop notch on the top of the screen. It also comes with TUV certified blue light protected display. There's a physical fingerprint sensor here, due to the lack of an OLED panel. Anyways, it is quite fast and responsive. The back of the phone has a great resemblance to the K20 Pro, and it looks quite shiny. This is a glass rear, and shows different variations at different angles. The phone is powered by the new MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is quite fast and powerful. In addition, it has up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, with a dedicated microSD slot for expansion. The phone offers quite sturdy build quality, and overall a premium feel, and all for a very inexpensive price tag. The major highlight of this phone is having a 64-megapixel main rear camera, supported with an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel plus 2-megapixel macro and depth sensors respectively. So the more the megapixels, the more clarity of the image. So the camera quality is really amazing. It is the Samsung's GW1 sensor you may have heard about. There's very less effect on image quality, even after extreme zoom in. Anyways, the Helio G90T processor inside this phone is just amazing. It handles quite heavy games with ease on the highest graphics. The phone also comes with liquid cooling technology that helps maintaining the temperature of the phone even after intensive gaming. The phone also comes with a 4500 mAh battery, with 18-watt quick charging. It also retains headphone jack, NFC, and an infrared blaster. The device is running on Android Pie version with MIUI 10 up front. Anyways, what you think of the new Redmi Note 8 Pro, let me know in comments. It also comes with IP52 rating that makes it splash and dust resistant. So that's a pretty good feature to have. It also comes with 960 FPS slow-mo recording. If any other questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, make sure to subscribe our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.